Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Z-Man here. Back with another video, and this is some weird problem. My PS4 won't boot up into the game. Keeps on saying this, keeps on saying update requires restart. So we let it restart. And then it's got the little buffer and spin. It says update completed successfully. So I exit out. So let's go. I want to play the game. It reads the hard drive. Connect them to online services. Download an update. It's just looping. Keeps telling me my update requires restart. And it turns black. And it loads. Update successfully completed. And so if somebody can tell me what's wrong with this, I appreciate it. It's not downloading anything. So let me know in the comment section what y'all think. Alright, peace.